Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today I am so excited about. It is our October mystery box from guess who? JUVIA'S Place. I am excited to open it up. Now, normally we spend about $18. This one was $15. Let's just see what's inside, okay? Oh, okay. So the first item that we have is, I'm so glad because I was out of this, is the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm. And that is this one right here, okay? Now, this one is in the shade Passion Fruit, and they have a 24-month shelf life. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. It is amazing. However, I don't get to keep my hands on it. So I'm excited because I have another one. So let me just show you what it looks like. We've already seen the outside packaging. So let's just see what the inside packaging looks like again. And here it is. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Now, even though it has a pink hue here, there's no actual color to it, see? Don't even have to put a lot on. Now, let me just sidetrack for a second. Look, usually when you put something on over top of your lipstick, you kind of get the lipstick color on. And if you check out the next video after this one, you'll see exactly what this is and why you want it in your life. Okay, so moving back to Juvia's Place, that's item number 1. And then item number 2, oh my God, this helps me on my mission to have all of the palettes. This is the Rebel. Okay, now these are the quads, and this one is in the shade gray, of course. It says the Rebel in grays feature 4 complementary gray and soft shades for a day to nighttime look while providing maximum payoff with our highly pigmented colors. It has a 24-month shelf life. And this is what the palette itself looks like. How about that? Those are some gorgeous grays. Okay. Not bad, right? Okay, so this is item number 1. Do you want some swatches? Probably so. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. We're going to swap all 4 of them. Did I just say swap? We're going to swatch all 4 of them. Here you go. Gorgeous, right? And that was just one pass. So you can imagine what it looks like with a primer and building it up. Okay. All right, that's item number 2. $15. Oh my God. Okay, then the next one we have is a loose highlighter, and this is in Clio. Okay, I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to put this one in a giveaway because I have 4 of them already. So it's beautiful though. It is a absolute beautiful highlighter. Okay, and it's a 0.28 ounce size. And if I am not mistaken, the shelf life on these are about 24 to 36 months. So I'll double check it, and if I am incorrect, I will let you know. Okay, then we're still not done. There's still another package in here. So we've already gotten 3, already well over $30 in value, okay? And here's the last item. This one is the Empress Lip Collection by Juvia's, and it is matte and metallic liquid lipstick, and the shade that I have is Moro. Their packaging is always amazing, okay? How about that? This one is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan. All right, so let's just open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, nice. So this one is actually a 2-pack, okay, of lipstick, hence the matte and the metallic. Okay, and that's it right there. You know, these always seem to come in right on time because when I moved, I realized I was at the end of my purple. Oh my God, this looks amazing outside of that plastic. So let's just go ahead and swatch the matte. Beautiful. That's just one swipe, y'all. One swipe. Here we go. And the Moro Metallic. You ready? Now, I don't know if you can really see the difference there, but that is amazing. Okay, so when it dried down, is that better? Okay, we'll take a look at it again in just a moment when it completely dries down. Now, y'all know I love me a good mystery box. I especially love a good Juvia's Place mystery box. And only once have I gotten the same item. Even though I've gotten this before, I have not gotten this shade. So that I'm excited about as well. Okay, we're still waiting for it to dry all the way down. It's only been about 10 seconds. So, what are your thoughts? Okay, I just want to ask you that. What are your thoughts? How are you feeling about the items that were included? The packaging on these items are gorgeous, but the pigmentation, the color payoff is amazing on all of, I haven't gotten one Juvia's Place product that the pigmentation has not been popping. Okay, so not bad at all. Not bad. As well as the grays in the quad, the Rebel quad. Okay, now let's take a look one more time at what we received. Okay, so here is the Rebel. This is the quad. This is what they look like. This is what they swatch like. Then we've also received the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm, and this is in Passion. This is what this packaging looks like, and this is what the product itself looks like. Okay. We received the loose highlighter, and this is in Cleo. I'm telling you, this thing is popping. Okay, it really, really is. Okay, which is going in a giveaway because I have so many highlighters. I will never, ever get through them all. And then these beautiful liquid lipsticks right here, and this is the Empress lip collection. The shade we have is Moro, and it is this one is the metallic, and this one is the matte. So this is what we received as well. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. Now, I will tell you, as of today, I did go online and check to make sure that it was still available. And yes, they do have some available. So if you want it, please make sure you purchase the mystery box, okay? There's also a 20% off coupon code there. So I paid less than $15 even with my shipping, okay? I'm just saying. So jump on it, y'all, while you have a chance. I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Juvia's Place mystery box for October, okay? Or is it fall? Either way, that mystery box is there, and these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, so Just wanted to stop by and give you that little tidbit. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.